AWS Girls Tech Day has been a phenomenal opportunity for girls in grades 5th through 8th grade to come to learn from women in engineering and STEM fields, to play and try out robotics and learn to code. Girls have had the opportunity to just speak with women in careers and fields that are of interest to them, and we hope that this ignites their experience and gets them excited about potential jobs and careers, as well as just believing in themselves and what they can do.
I'm Anya. I'm an 8th grader at Heritage Middle School, and I'm excited about Girls Tech Day because I really like technology and science stuff. And so this type of stuff is exciting for me.
I go to Tharp Middle School in the Aero program, and my favorite part about Girls Tech Day is probably just learning a lot about different things that that we don't do in school.
I'm excited about Girls in Science because I want to see if this is something I want to do when I get older and stuff. And I like creating this stuff and having fun with it.